Hey, you make a good burglar, wouldn't you?
I got the tools. Can get in anywhere.
I'm going to cut that out.
No, you can leave it in. I'm not saying I'm a burglar, but we're in.
We're in! Oh, yes! Anybody need to get into their pay box, just give Scotty a ring. Oh, we're in!
First time in, I think first time got to be 6 years. There's the number of the ride. Pay box for the first time. It might not be bright enough, but that's where the old stereo 70s sound goes. God, that brings back some memories.
Oh yeah, fuck me.
Got the knives. That's good. They'll all have to be covered. Music's in here, but I bet that's damp. Starter. Go around.
What's the black box there with the 3 buttons on it on the desk?
I don't know what that is. That's most probably lights, or someone will make a comment on it, what it is. Somebody used to work on here. That's what we want to find. Anybody used to work on here? Fire extinguisher. There's a ring for the inside. Stop the platforms jumping off. Ah, that could be for the back lot or the front.
For
the platform.
For the dance floor.
Yeah. It's a bit dark in here, but we'll try it. There's the starter. And we got a box on there. We don't know what it's for, with 3 red buttons. No drawer, that's a shame. Oh yeah, the drawer's on the floor.
No money in it?
No money in it, no tokens, just spanners. Pins. So the platform stuff must be in there. So let's just have a look what's in here if we can.
What, like the stay iron?
Speaker wires, hammer. All to do with the stereo. Oh my god, it's tape deck.
Oh, I see the CD player and the amps on the floor.
Yeah, we've took the amp out, look.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, there's no speakers, but the speakers are in the other truck.
So what are those two on the floor there? One's a CD player, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, they're both CD players.
CD, DVD, yeah.
Yeah, the big one down the bottom is a 5-disc multi-changer.
Yeah. We'll have to get a bench in here for when the boys are entertaining. No amp, that's the shame. You must have took it out. Box of tapes. And I can't see it. Back. Found the mic.
Bit dark.
Yeah.
Don't know how to put the light on.